Hello, music makers. Are you ready to make some breakfast with me? Grab your spoons and your bowls. Let's make some pancakes. Let's go. First, we gotta pour in the flour, then we gotta add in the milk. Now you gotta crack in the egg. Last, put in the melted butter. Pancakes, fun kid food. Pancakes, trust me. Trust me. Now it's time to stir the batter. Add a pinch of vanilla sugar. Then we must put some oil on the frying pan. In goes the batter and let it go. Flip, flip, flip. Out comes a pancake. What do we get?